Seamlessly migrate from Oracle to Databricks with Bizmetrics BrickBuilder solution for enhanced analytics. Struggling with slow queries, manual processes, closed architecture, and high billing costs slowing you down? Are data movement expenses adding to the challenge? Then no need to worry. We have a solution ready. Bizmetrics Databricks BrickBuilder solution offers multi-cluster architecture for isolated computing, no table locking, and serverless warehouse. Auto-scaling handles unlimited user concurrency, while the open file format ensures flexibility. Run performance queries and BIE directly on the lake for fast, scalable insights. Now, let's understand how our Databricks BrickBuilder seamlessly migrates data in 4 simple steps. First, connect Oracle to Databricks and define data mappings. Then, automate workflows and map schemas for efficiency. Next, leverage parallel processing to handle large data volumes. And finally, monitor and optimize based on performance metrics. Now, let's understand the roadmap for the Lakehouse. The first phase involves the creation of a unified Lakehouse platform, including the setup of Azure for Lakehouse configuration. A strategic approach will also be taken to integrate Oracle EBS Fusion with the Lakehouse. The second phase focuses on data governance and advanced analytics, with efforts to develop analytical dashboards, data visualizations, and automation of reports. Additionally, we also have a Gen AI bot. The final phase connects all on-prem and cloud sources to the data lake, marking the beginning of the AI ML journey. This will include forecasting, predictive analytics, and the development of recognition models. Bizmetrics Databricks BrickBuilder framework provides a comprehensive suite of features to optimize data management and analytics. It has pre-built adapters for seamless integration and is scalable to handle growing data volumes. The framework ensures fault tolerance and error handling for reliable operations, while monitoring and logging offer real-time insights into system performance. Metadata management is a key component, enabling efficient data tracking and governance. Automated workflows streamline processes, and performance optimization enhances system efficiency. Schema evolution support allows for flexible adjustments to data structures, while robust security features safeguard data. Lastly, scheduling and orchestration ensure smooth data processing workflows. Now, let's understand the BrickBuilder Financial Cube framework. It is designed to organize financial data into key dimensions and facts for streamlined reporting and analysis. The dimensions include customer location, AR invoice, fiscal calendar, fiscal day, GI account, organization, supplier site, segment hierarchy, and customer account, providing a comprehensive view of business operations. In terms of facts and aggregators, the framework captures critical financial data points such as GL balance, GL journal line, SLA distribution, SLA balance, SLA posted balance, and SLA open item, ensuring accurate and detailed financial reporting and analytics. It is built on over 150 Oracle EBS tables. With this, custom reports to be developed as needed. Now, let's understand the BrickBuilder project scope. We start with services setup, configuring ADF and SQL Server within a resource group with admin access. Next is setting up the Databricks workspace and Unity catalog to establish a unified data environment. This is followed by ADF and source database connection to enable seamless data integration. Then, we sequentially set up the bronze layer for raw data ingestion, the silver layer for data enrichment, and the gold layer for analytics-ready data through a full load setup. Finally, we handle Power BI connection changes and deployment, ensuring integration with the data pipeline, and conclude with Power BI testing to validate dashboard performance. You can see the architecture and dashboards here. Here are some of the reasons businesses should choose Databricks BrickBuilder solution. It offers a centralized data repository with strong governance, scalability, and a holistic data view. It enhances decision-making, collaboration, and innovation, while providing flexibility, advanced analytics, and adaptability to new technologies. We specialize in various data lake architecture implementations, including Databricks architecture on AWS and Azure, and MS Fabric plus Databricks architecture on Azure, and MS Fabric architecture. We are DPP enabled for Databricks and have successfully completed over 20 Azure Databricks implementations. We offer a range of Databricks services tailored to meet your data analytics needs. Want to know more about BrickBuilder? Contact Bizmetric experts now.